Hello, friends. I'm so excited that you're making a flat student today. Let me show you how you can make your own flat student virtual adventure. First, you need to go to View. You need to go down to Zoom and set the percent to 50%. This is so you can see all of your outfit options. Then you need to dress your person. I'm going to pick which shirt I like, which pants I like, and which shoes I like. Once my person is dressed, then you will need to change the background to write your story. First, you want to click on instructions on how to change the background. That's an image. Then you need to go up to Replace Image and search the web. It will bring up a little Google bar. Then you need to think of a place that you might like to go. I'm going to say that I went to Busch Stadium. Once I have a picture that I like, I can select it and click Replace. It will then change that image to the image I've selected. Then I can click over here and I can type my own story. Happy adventuring!